Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're giving you a hands-on sneak peek at the much-awaited Galaxy Z Fold 7. The official launch is just days away, but it feels even closer now, thanks to a full design reveal through leaked live images. Samsung's latest foldable is already stealing the spotlight, and it's doing so for all the right reasons. Known tipster Jukin Luster has dropped real-life photos of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and that sleek blue finish? Absolutely gorgeous. The shots show off both the front and back of the phone, and get this, the screen crease is practically invisible, all thanks to a smart matte protective film. That's a serious design win. And hey, if you haven't reserved your Galaxy Z Fold 7 or Galaxy Watch 8 yet, this might be the perfect time. Samsung's giving users a chance to win up to $5,000 in credit just for reserving early. Plus, you'll get $50 in Samsung credits, up to $900 trade-in, and an extra $300 instant credit. That's a deal you don't want to miss. Now let's talk design, starting with the back. Samsung has finally moved away from those controversial camera rings we saw last year. This time, they've brought back the clean and polished camera layout from the Galaxy Fold 5 and the S24 Ultra, giving the Z Fold 7 a sleeker, more premium look. Moving to the front, Samsung has upgraded the cover screen. It's now a 6.5-inch panel that feels a lot more like a regular phone when folded. And once you unfold it, you get to enjoy a massive 8-inch immersive display, perfect for watching content or multitasking like a pro. Another leaked shot reveals just how slim this device really is. Samsung has seriously trimmed the thickness down. When folded, it's only 8.9 mm thick, and when opened up, it's just 4.2 mm. Possibly making it one of the slimmest foldables we've seen yet. Samsung will officially launch the Galaxy Z Fold 7 on July 9th at its big Unpacked event in the US. And that's not all. We're also expecting the Galaxy Z Flip 7, a new Flip FE model, the Galaxy Watch 8 series, and the brand new Watch Ultra 2025. It's shaping up to be one of the most exciting events in Samsung's lineup. So, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Drop your opinions down in the comments. We love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update.
Subscribe to my channel.
We'll catch you in the next video.
Press this bell
Peace
icon.
out.